What's up? Top of the morning, guys. I hope you guys are having a blessed morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is my Nissan Maxima 7th Gen. It is tuned. We finally tuned the car. She is pretty, but she's tuned, and I know you guys have been asking for this video. We're actually gonna be doing really quick a little test, 0 to 60, to see how the car reacts, and then I'm going to do a proper 0 to 60 for you guys. Pretty much I have a white pipe, an exhaust, no mufflers, vibrant resonator. Waiting for the headers to be put on. So I have my up rev, I got my laptop. Let's connect everything so I can get the data logs and send it to the tuner to make sure everything's fine before I show you guys how badass this 0 to 60 is. But you guys see right here, I have to go to logging and tracing, open it up. So you guys know my tuner, Gerson. We actually gotta load the scheme. It's like something that he has set for the car. So now it actually works. So we gotta do an idle log. So what we gotta do is hit the space button, and this is everything that comes out. So we gotta turn the charger control off. We gotta go here, clear the logs, and then hit space. Let the car cool down a little bit. Alright guys, so it's time. We actually tuned the car up. So the car is actually even faster than what I was supposed to be doing. Let's see, hopefully we don't break anything, but let's get it, guys. So laptop right here. I'm gonna put the GoPro and go.
I think we've burned out on the auto show circuit. And there's 60.
Really?
Interesting. Let me get the camera and show everybody. There we have it.
I did the exact same thing. I just simply slammed my foot on the throttle. I didn't rev it or anything, just like the Ultima.
All right. Let's do that one more time. I don't think I did it right. I'm not gonna do too many. I'm gonna do like probably like 2 or 3 possibly. So let's see, let's just do it real quick right here. All right, let's do it one more time. Let's wait. Okay guys, let's do it one more time. Ready? We're gonna do it differently. And go. So that's the last one I'm gonna do right now for 0 to 60. I do not want to break the transmission right now, but next what we're gonna do is, let's see if we can do like a 40 to 60, 40 to 70. That was actually in sport mode, but I think he said sport mode kind of messes up with the tune. So let's just do a quick 40 roll in regular drive. so you guys have you guys already see that. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not trying to do it too much because I know these CVTs are you know, yeah. So it might has like 208,000 miles. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how the car pulls after 80, because I know you guys. So I know you guys ask me after 80 miles per hour how the car handles, like how the car does, because I know you guys know after 80 the car pretty much like dies, like it loses power. So let's see what happens after 80. Alright, there's people in front of us, so we really couldn't do much. But I think you guys can see how it pulls. You know, it pulls pretty decent. It pulls pretty good. So let's see if we can get one more from 60, maybe. Carbon fiber boys. We got the Subi over here.